Charudat Arora from Nayar Medical College. As you can see, this is the first time ever happening Model United Nations Conference 2010 in an Indian government medical college. यहाँ पे सारी countries हैं, majorly India, USA, UK, China, Russia and so on. We are discussing mainly on the novel technologies that the developed as well as the developing nations can strategize जिससे carbon emissions कम हो पाए. We'll come to the consensus. All the countries will come to a consensus in a form of a resolution paper that will be drafted in a very formal manner, and along with the booklet, as you can see, it will be at the end page, and it will go to the United Nations organization that functions in New York.
Major views about this entire carbon emissions thing is that the developing and the developed countries need to come to a consensus to maybe aware people about this thing and adopt technologies that can lower down the carbon emissions. The greenhouse gases include a group of gases. They include carbon dioxide, methane, many other gases. What exactly happens is they lead to an increase in the temperature, the global temperature, and thereby what is happening nowadays is that the temperature, because it is increasing because of the trapping of these greenhouse gases, the glaciers in the Antarctica and even in India, the Himalayas, it's melting, and the sea level is rising, because of which the countries like Maldives or Sri Lanka, the island countries, there's a problem posing over them for submerging.
We can prevent by resorting to alternate non-conventional sources of energy. For example, solar power or hydroelectricity or nuclear electricity. Out of which solar power is the safest, because nuclear electricity could have its own side effects like radiation, but solar power is the best option.
As far as global greenhouse gas emissions are concerned, India is working really a lot, and it has even ratified the Kyoto Protocol, which countries like the United States of America haven't. So basically, in brief, if I were to say that as far as greenhouse gas emissions are concerned, India is playing a leading role along with China.
Now the purpose of doing this event was so that we can educate other people, we can make people aware about this growing issue of carbon emissions and global warming. This issue is not confined to only our country, but affects the whole world.
At the end of the discussion, we have come to the conclusion and the resolution being to reduce carbon emissions by developed and developing nations by 34% by 2030, and to use novel technologies by USA, UK, France, such as tidal energy, wind energy as sources of energy. So this is hopefully going to help our planet and help us in our global warming problem.